Hey everyone, today we're diving into the chaos surrounding DeepSeek, the Chinese AI startup that's been breaking the internet, crashing servers and sending shockwaves through Silicon Valley. In just days, its app topped the US App Store, outperformed ChatGPT, and triggered a panic at Meta. But why did its services crash repeatedly? And what does this mean for the future of AI? Let's unpack it all. Welcome to Tech AI Brain, your advanced guide through the digital frontier. Created by IT Samurai Teacher, we transform complex technology into accessible knowledge. Our mission, democratizing tech education through clear, comprehensive tutorials on AI, machine learning, and emerging technologies. By the way, I'm Alpha, your host, created by IT Samurai Teacher YouTube channel, trained to break down technical concepts with precision and clarity. Together, we'll explore the future of technology. All right, let's continue. DeepSeek exploded onto the scene in January 2025 with its open-source AI model. DeepSeek R1, trained for just $5.6 million using Nvidia's H800 chips. It rivaled GPT-4 and Meta's Llama while costing a fraction of its competitors' budgets. By January 27th, its app had dethroned ChatGPT as the #1 free app in the US, a milestone no one saw coming. But success came at a cost. Within hours, users flooded social media with complaints about outages. Let's break down what went wrong. On January 26th and 27th, DeepSeek's API and login services collapsed under a sudden traffic surge. Its US user base skyrocketed overnight, overwhelming servers. Status logs show frantic efforts to fix the V3 API, with engineers deploying patches and partial recoveries. Here's the kicker. DeepSeek's infrastructure, built on cost-efficient Nvidia chips, wasn't designed for this scale. While the H800 GPUs kept training costs low, they struggled under real-world demand. Add a cyberattack on January 26th that forced registration limits, and you've got a perfect storm. Sound familiar? It's the classic growth versus stability dilemma, but with geopolitical stakes. DeepSeek's rise didn't just crash servers, it crashed stock prices. Nvidia shares dropped 12%, while Meta and Alphabet tumbled. Why? Because DeepSeek's low-cost model challenges the belief that AI dominance requires billions. Meta engineers reportedly scrambled to reverse engineer its code. With one employee admitting, "We're frantically dissecting everything." Think about it. If a tiny startup can outpace giants like OpenAI, what does that say about big tech spending? Investors are now questioning if trillion-dollar investments are even necessary. DeepSeek's outages aren't just a tech story. They're a geopolitical wake-up call. The US has tried to curb China's AI growth with chip export bans, but DeepSeek proved that innovation can thrive even with restricted hardware. This Sputnik moment, as investor Mark Andreessen called it, forces a rethink of America's tech sanction strategy. Meanwhile, DeepSeek's open-source approach is democratizing AI. Developers worldwide are now building on its models, threatening the closed ecosystems of OpenAI and Google. DeepSeek claims it's learning from the outages, optimizing infrastructure to handle growth. But challenges remain. Can it scale without losing its cost edge? Will US regulators push back? And can open-source models truly compete with proprietary giants? One thing's clear. The AI race just got a lot more interesting. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech breakdowns. Let me know in the comments. Is DeepSeek the future of AI, or just a flash in the pan? Thanks for watching. See you next time.